So good day everyone, I welcome everybody in this video. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also make sure you comment I am learning and share to your friends for them to also learn. So today's video we are going to know the top 7 tech skills teenager can learn to start making money online. Okay, if you are a teenager, pay most attention because you will find it very helpful in this video. So introduction, who is the chapter 1. Welcome back to Super Tech Digital Academy. If you are a teenager and you want to start making money online but you don't know what skill to learn, then this video is exactly for you. Because the truth is this: you don't need to be an adult before you start earning online. What you need is the right skill, right direction, and consistency. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you 7 powerful tech skills teenager can learn that can start paying you online if you are starting from zero. Let's go straight into it. Okay, the skill 1 is graphic design. The first tech skill teenager can learn is graphic design. Graphic design is one of the easiest skill you can start because you can learn it using just your smartphone or your laptop. You can use app like Canva, Pixel or even Photoshop if you want to go in advance. With graphic design, you create something like logo, flyer, business card, poster, Instagram design, and even YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so this is a very good skill, and the best part of that is people always looking for design. Small business, churches, event planners, and content creators pay for design every single day. So if you learn graphic design, you can start earning by offering your service online. So the second skill is video editing. This is very powerful. I know someone that is currently making millions now with just a smartphone video editing. So the second tech skill is video editing. Right now, video content is taking over in the world. TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reel, everybody is posting video, and because of that, video editor are high in demand. You can start editing videos with free app like CapCut or VN, or if you want you can even add the animation. You can start video editing and animation, learn it, start creating content, creating AI content. So that is it. Once you become a good editing, you can start editing videos for YouTube, influencers and businesses. This is skills that can pay you weekly or sometimes monthly if you get consistent clients. Okay, so the third skill is social media management. The third tech skill you can learn is social media management. A lot of people think social media is just for posting pictures, but social media is a real business. Many business want to grow on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Twitter, but they don't have time to post consistently or respond to messages. So they pay someone to manage their page as a social media manager. Your job is to help business post content, grow followers, reply to messages, and increase engagement. This is something you can do from your phone, and you don't need any complicated tools to start. Okay, the skill 4 is web design, website building. Every business needs a website, whether it is a school, a restaurant, a clothing brand, a personal brand. They all need an online presence. And if you know how to build a real website, you can earn a lot. You can start with platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. Okay, this platform make it easy for beginners to build professional websites without needing to code. But once you become good, you can change clients for creating websites. You can charge clients for creating websites, redesigning websites, and even managing websites. This is one of the skills that can change your life finally if you take it seriously. So the skill 5 is coding program. Coding is one of the most powerful skill in the world today. If you learn coding, you can build websites, apps, software, game, even create your own tech products. As a beginner, you can start with HTML and CSS, then move to JavaScript and learn Python. Coding can help you get remote job, freelancing job, internship, and even prepare you for future career in software engineering. And the truth is that the early you start learning coding, the better you become over time. So the skill 7, the number 6 skill you can learn as a teenager is UI or UX design. This simply design how to this designing websites and app look and feel. Okay, UI means user interface, which is the design people see, like bottom, colors, layout, and menu. UX means user experience, which is how to use and enjoyable the app or website. Okay, so UI or UX designers use tools like Figma and Adobe XD to design professional app layouts and website layout. The amazing things about this design is that you don't need to know how to code to start. You can start learning design and create professional design that developers can turn into real apps. Okay, this is a high income tech skill and it is growing fast. The skill 7 is AI tools and automation. This is very good. This one is very good. Hi, this is the biggest scale of the future. AI is changing everything. I'm telling you, with AI you can do anything possible. People are using AI to write content, create design, edit video, generate video, build presentation, or even run businesses. If you master tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, CapCut AI, or even other AI productivity, you can become extremely valuable. You can help people create content faster, work and save time. Teenagers who learn AI skill now will be ahead of most people in the next few years. Okay, so this is an important advice. That is the last page. Now let me give you one important tip. Don't make the mistake of trying to learn all these skills at the same time. Pick one skill that you like, focus on it for 30 days to 90 days, practice every day, and start posting your work online. Because the truth is that you don't need to be perfect before you start. You just need to start, improve, and stay consistent. So these are the 7 tech skills teenager can learn. I want you to comment below and tell me which kind of skill you want to learn. Is it graphic design, video editing, coding, web design, or AI tools? I want to know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Super Tech Digital Academy, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Thank you for watching this video.